and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca. Happy Fansells Friday, everybody. I have a few Christmassy projects for you for the next couple of Fansells Fridays, because why not? So I do have, two things there. Let's start with the big one. This one is a wooden sign, a little welcome sign. It is a partial of the little Grinch with the bauble. If anybody remembers, I did do a full diamond painting of this sort of thing. It's actually up in my kitchen. But you do get string to basically loop through the two holes there so that you can hang it up and do a welcome sign. You also get, it's a little clip bow. So you can tuck that probably to that side, or you can pop it anywhere else sort of on the wood if you want to, or hang it to maybe where you've hooked it. Few different choices with it being a little clip, and you do get a toolkit. You then also get, of course, your diamonds. Now there is quite a bit of black on this one, but it is mixed in with some gorgeous rhinestones. So we have black for the background, which will give you a nice black with texture. Then we have this sort of clear or silver, which is scattered about and is in the words or welcome apart from the O, and also the sleeve. Then we have a couple of greens, a couple of reds, a yellow, and a slightly bigger clear one that goes in the middle of some of these little snowflake parts. So yeah, that one made me smile. Definitely a cute little Christmas sign, whether you use a wreath or not. Maybe you have a couple of places you could potentially put a wreath, and therefore you have the option to pop this sign instead. But it's a nice solid piece of wood. So while I wouldn't necessarily say it is weather resistant or not, if it's slightly undercover, you should, it's going to stand up better than paper, that's for sure. So yeah, that is number one. Number two, let's go for the one we sort of partly saw for number two. Now these are officially keyrings. However, these are extremely easy to make into decorations. So they are double-sided. I'm just checking that we have adhesive on both sides. I've confirmed one side. Yes, we do. So we definitely have adhesive on both sides. They are thin acrylic. Gorgeous bauble decorations. I say you get everything to make these as key rings, but you get loads. And I've scooted them too far down my desk, but you get loads. However, the way the key rings come, which is what I kind of like, is you get the little ball chain that you hook the key ring onto, and then hook it through the hole in the decoration to make yourself a key ring. But if you just take that off and hook it through on its own, so pop it through and then clip it into the little clip part at the top, you just have yourself a straightforward, ready to go on the tree decoration. So one of the easiest ways. There are many things, as say, that are off the canvas items that I think could turn into beautiful decorations, but they might need ribbon attaching or something tweaking from your own supplies or purchase for the occasion. But with these, you can just go straight ahead out of the packet. I love that one, it looks like a Christmas jumper. So these are also rhinestones. We'll have a quick look at the colours. You of course get a lot, but we do have, of course, green. Are they all the same red? They are. So green, red, clear, and some yellow. So quite simple in relation to colours, just of course a lot of some of the same ones. But this would be a lovely sort of sit down family craft maybe. You've got 4 colours there. So tip 4 colours into 4 trays, get some pens, share, dot about, and create yourself some gorgeous little decorations. So yeah, I thought they were really sweet. And they might look very pretty hung on a garland on my stairs. I always have things like that in mind when I'm looking. It's like, ooh, where would I put these? So I need to decide whether they need to get done, but that's a beautiful set. And then last but by no means least, or last for today, this is one I've not seen before. There are many Christmas craft items, absolutely loads, but every year there's sort of quite often something, well, that I see that I've not seen before, and this is one of them. So we do get a toolkit. This has actually got slightly thicker, different kind of boat in that one, but it's still a green boat. And these are toppers for the tree. So there's 2 in here. Let me see how they, oh, we do have instructions. So, oh, okay. So we get a standard, bog standard little plastic star, and then you get 2 acrylic sheets that are actually stickers. So what you do once you're done, that's not damaged to the bottom, once you're done you stick them onto the star and you will end up with a design on both sides. So basically you can bling up your star on your Christmas tree to showcase your favourite hobby, or one of your favourite hobbies if you have multiples. So this does have 2 stars, and these are all yellow based diamonds. So there is some googly eyes in here. Okay, I'm going to have to look into that one. We have clear. We have some small yellow. So that's the standard size rhinestone. We then have the next size up, the medium rhinestones. We also have quite a few bigger rhinestones. Again, they're all in the yellow. We then have googly eyes that I need to look into. And then we have these gorgeous like mermaid scale type, little seashell type yellow ones. And I think I've just seen where they go. And it's not on that one. Or at least it's not on the side that I can see. I can see it here. I can see it. I can see the number 6. Why do we have the number 6? Ah, because our star has a smiley face. So there we go. 2 googly eyes. So you need a total of 4. I think there is more than enough in there. Which means you will probably have some googly eyes left, which could maybe attach to, you know, something in a family member's home, just to make them wonder what's going on maybe. You've seen that little craze where people like to stick googly eyes on different things. So yeah, we have yellow stars with little googly eyes. So they are some potential Christmas projects for you this season. or maybe picked up for next season, but I will pop the individual links to each of these items down below. However, there are many varieties, so if you like a particular concept but not the particular design, then just follow that link. Also, the title of the item will give you some idea of some search words to find similar, or you can browse, of course, through the menu. But there is absolutely loads. Do be prepared, you could potentially get lost there for a while, but this was my selection for today. So thank you all so much for watching. Thank you to Fansells for letting me share these with you, and I'll speak to you all again soon.